The uniqueness of the Kinley site offers many opportunities to create different places. Our western precinct is actually quite steep, but through that steepness we've been able to create a design that leverages on the incredible views over the Yarra Ranges and the Dandenong. The site is also divided by the Lilydale Metropolitan train line. That then allows us to leverage on the amenity provided by the train line in creating an urban core or a village centre that has a higher density and have a greater vibrancy because of the amount of people that will be able to live there. Our heritage precinct, by virtue of the existing assets and the industrial architecture exists there, is a character all unto its own and is quite a special place. The Kinley site is unique in that it's not a flat site. It has quite a bit of topography, but we've been able to utilise that to create an incredible experience and great views from many, many dwellings.
Having quality urban design is more than just the sort of landscaping that we put into our projects. It's also about having good controls and guidance as to how the housing should be developed. And so we've implemented design guidelines that really help elevate the quality of the housing throughout the project, not only from a visual perspective, but also from a sustainability perspective. Well, we've worked hard with our display builders to build one of the biggest display villages in Melbourne, and really these houses are designed to showcase just how much flexibility you still have within the design guidelines. We think sustainability is a critical aspect of all our thinking these days. It sort of has to be in many ways, but we like to push ourselves even further than the norm. So Kinley has been accredited with a 6-star Green Star Communities rating, which is considered world leading. And that's a rating and accreditation that really has to consider every single aspect of the project, be it how you develop the community, through to how you deal with ecology and stormwater management, the housing itself, how you deal with energy, waste, really every aspect of delivering a new community.
It was realised early on that in order for us to be able to deliver sites for homes to be built on, that we needed to actually create some retaining walls. It was a very easy decision for the project to use the products that exist on the site and the stone that's inside, and to use that to build our retaining walls, which you can see in our very first subdivisions.
Every house that's delivered will be delivered in a place that is built around those key sustainability measures. So they'll be more efficient, they'll be cheaper to run, and they'll last a longer time as well. And critically, it'll create a much more livable and diverse community for the people living here as well.